Alright folks, here we are. So we're going to take a quick spin down the coast road section of the Northwest 200 course. This is the best bit of the course. Come down here, this is the end of a massive straight. They're absolutely caning it down here. Insane speeds. Come down to this, which is a hairpin known as Metropole. If you watched one of our little clips recently, this is the bit where Christian Elkin went a wee bit wide. Going across there, fella. Where Christian Elkin went a wee bit wide, let Michael Dunlop through in that famous race in 2008. And they come flying up here. Now that bank on the right hand side, you used to be able to sit on that when I was a kid. It was the best place to watch the races. But they developed the train station, you can't really sit there anymore unfortunately. And then they take a big right hander up here. Now obviously none of these signs are in the middle of the road or anything like that, so that's a nice quick corner. In 2008 again, Michael went a wee bit wide, hit some of those cushions there, but stayed on, kept going to win the race. And then we come flying up through here. See if we can get past this guy. And the race comes flying up here, neck and neck. Now this looks like a lovely big wide road, but don't forget the bikes are ripping around here as fast as they can, racing each other. It comes a lot narrower when you're flying along at those sorts of speeds. So they come out of the station, then up around here, which is Black Hill, something like that, I don't know. And then we're onto the coast road proper itself. As you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. This is probably the nicest part of Ireland, really. Or certainly one of the nicest parts. It's stunningly beautiful. Loads of caravan sites, loads of tourism, loads of cyclists riding right in the very middle of the road, as they love to do. And yeah, as you can see, they come flying up around here. Loads of bikes out today, it's great. This is the Tuesday, first races are tomorrow, or no, qualifying tomorrow. First races on Thursday evening. Hope the weather stays like this. All these houses, this is all pretty new development, to be honest. Like, none of this used to be here when I was a kid. And again, flying up around here. So it just seems like a nice casual road, but you know, especially the super bikes, I don't know. I mean, the super bikes are doing well over 100 here. I don't know exactly what sort of speed they go, but like, you can just imagine. And then there's a wee chicane here on the left hand side. Again, these are kind of more modern things introduced fairly recently, just to kind of bring the speeds down, because the bikes have got a bit insane, as you're probably aware. So yeah, little chicane in there. Alright fella, how's it going? And you get some amazing shots of the bikes racing each other around this corner. Again, they're so fast around here. And we'll get up over the top of the hill. There we go. Again, beautiful scenery. The racers don't have much time to take all that in. And we're going down here to the start finish straight. There's the paddock on the left, and you can see just up ahead the grid for the start finish. Starting to get busy. A lot of the teams are away at BSB the weekend there, so I think a lot of them are just on their way now. They still haven't arrived, but you can see it's starting to get very busy. This road is total chaos. Even on the Friday when there's no racing, it's absolute chaos down here. You can't move anywhere. There's a little bit of chaos today, to be honest. Let that car go further ahead so we get a decent camera. So you can see here, yeah, the grid. We're on the grid now. Markings on the road. Timing box, commentary box, all that stuff up there. And we'll keep going down. Hope that car in front's not ruining the view. So we had the start finish straight just back there. And then we get into these big sweeping corners. You can see there's a lot of furniture around. There's a lot of concrete. And you know, the big pads, they do something, but there's only so much you can do really. So then to the final part of the coast road, then you come flying around this corner, as you do. And you can just start seeing the braking markers ahead now for the next corner. That number 3 on the lamppost right there, and you get a 3, 2, 1 into the corner itself. Number 3 there. I think they're about 100 meters apart, 100 yards maybe. And then this is the corner here on the left where they come off the coast road, and you can imagine we're not that far away from the start finish straight. These bikes start in like groups of 20 sometimes. So all coming down here, a big massive group, all fighting to get into this corner and get the power on as soon as you can to get up the hill. It's very tight, as you can see. Power on, up the hill. And they're off the coast road and back out into the country. So there you have it, that's the coast road, probably the best part of the Northwest 200 track. Looking absolutely wonderful in the weather today. And let's hope that this weather sticks around.